Hi everybody and welcome back to Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily charge them. Always charge your headphones. So we have two ways of doing so. The first way is using a power adapter with power brick, and we have to have the cable that fits both into the charger and headphones. So into the headphones we have the USB Type-C. So now we have to find the USB Type-C port on the headphones itself, which the port is here as you can see, and we have to plug this cable into this port. It can be difficult, but you'll manage. As you can see now they are charging. And this is the first way. The second way is using the cable USB Type-C to C most commonly to charge our headphones using our phone. We have to have a cable that fits both into our phone and our headphones. Here I do have the iPhone 16 Pro, which has the USB Type-C, so we have to plug the USB Type-C at first cable into our phone, and then we have to plug the same cable, but the second part of it, into the same charging port as earlier. Of course, at first I have to search for the charging port, which is here. As you can see, they are charging too. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.